Hey you!
Who, me?
Yeah, you! Does your FL template currently look like this? And you want it to look something like this?
Damn, boy!
Then you've come to the right place!
How to get the template, 2 methods.
Do you want to download FLP on Patreon or follow tutorials?
To download the project template FLP, simply go on to patreon.com/arcnade. Hit enter and scroll down to production samples. If you've not already made an account, sign up, purchase it for £1 only. It's only £1 at the moment, so get it quick before it goes up. Once you've signed up, go to production samples here. It should bring up both the options you want, and whichever you want to download, simply click on that file. It will open like this here. Simply right click, extract file here. Make sure to download WinRAR if you haven't already, otherwise you won't be able to do this. And once it's extracted, you can simply open the file. And then it will open up to something like this, and you can start producing. Alternatively, if you want to get a more in-depth view of creating a template, you can watch the full series on my channel. There's a link to the playlist in the description. Wait a second guys, wait a second. Jean, what do you think of the FL template?
Brilliant.
Say that again?
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Did you hear that? You've got to go and use it now. Come on.
So how does the template work?
Before we get into the features of the template, please make sure to drop a like. It'd be insane to get 30 likes on this video. And if you're not already, subscribe. And drop a comment too, saying what you think of the template.
The template contains color-coded playlists, color-coded mixer, all rooted and ready to go. Track samples straight on, and it will also link to the mixer. Choose your sidechain. Root limiter or volume shaper 6. It's time to speed through your tracks.
What are you doing? You could have made a track by now.
Hey!
No, but in all seriousness, thank you for watching. If you download the FL template and use it and have success with it, drop me a message on Instagram. I'll leave my @ on the screen right now. Send me a message, send me the track that you made with it, tell me how it went, what you thought of it, if you'd use it again. Good luck, and hopefully it improves the speed at which you can make your tracks. I know I've already used it on a couple of tracks and it's helped me tenfold. Good luck and have fun. I'll see you all in the next one.